In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove board suggestions on Pinterest Mobile. If those board prompts keep popping up while you're browsing or saving pins, you can dial them back with a quick adjustment in your settings. All you need is the Pinterest app on your phone. Start by opening the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update because these preferences are saved per account. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your personal space where your boards, pins, and settings live. Now, look to the top right and tap the settings gear icon. That opens the settings and privacy area, which is where Pinterest groups controls for your content, notifications, and recommendations. We'll focus on the recommendation controls so you can fine-tune what the app suggests to you. In settings, tap refine your recommendations. This section manages how Pinterest learns from your activity, like what you save and which boards you use, to show you more of what it thinks you'll like. Adjusting these options helps reduce the kinds of suggestions that feel repetitive or off topic. Next, choose boards. Here you'll see the boards Pinterest considers when generating suggestions, including those board prompts that can appear while you're saving pins or browsing. Each board on the list has a simple switch next to it. To remove board suggestions that aren't helpful, toggle off the boards you don't want Pinterest to use for recommendations. When a board is turned off, Pinterest stops using it to shape suggestions tied to that board, so you should see fewer related prompts moving forward. Nothing gets deleted, your boards and pins remain intact, and you're not unfollowing anything. You're simply telling Pinterest not to base suggestions on those boards. Changes save right away, and you can review multiple boards in one go. If you change your mind later, come back to the same board screen and toggle a board back on. It may take a little time for your feed and saving experience to fully reflect the change, so don't worry if you still notice an occasional old suggestion at first. That usually clears up as the app refreshes. When you're done, back out to your profile and return to your home feed. From now on, your recommendations should feel more aligned with what you actually want to see, with fewer board suggestions getting in the way. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to keep your Pinterest experience clean and personalized.